In this video, I show you how to fix TikTok Crows app problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, you have to update your TikTok app. For doing this, go to Play Store, search TikTok. Now update your TikTok app, if available any update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to Apps or Application Management, then tap on it. Then tap on See All Apps. Now search for TikTok. Then tap on TikTok. Tap on Storage and Cache, clear storage, then delete. Now must restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open TikTok app. Now I hope that this method fixes TikTok close app problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.